Hello, so today's question is define absorption isotherm, give the empirical relationship between the quantity of gas absorbed by unit mass of solid absorbent and pressure at a particular temperature. Or the other question is define shape selective catalysis. Name the process by which alcohol converts directly into gasoline and gives a variety of hydrocarbons. So what is absorption isotherm? The curve obtained by plotting fraction of gas absorbed versus pressure at a constant temperature is known as absorption isotherm, and its equation is given by x by m equals to k times into pressure to the power 1 by n, where x is mass of absorbate and m is mass of absorbent. Here the second part is what is shape selective catalysis. So the catalysis activity depends on shape and size of pores present in a catalyst. ZSM5 is used to convert ethanol to gasoline.